Welcome dear students. In previous lecture we completed 3 questions from the practice set 4.2. Today we have to complete question number 4. In that question number 4, 5 sub questions are there. All that questions are application based, and dear student, to solve these questions we have to apply the knowledge of mathematics 2 to solve that questions. Now dear student, see, we start with the question number first one. See, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. The ratio of angle A and angle B is 5:4. Find measure of angle B. First of all, quadrilateral is given and that quadrilateral is of parallelogram. Second information is about the ratio of its angle is given and we have to find out the measure of angle B. Dear student, to solve this we must know what is parallelogram and what is the property of angle of that parallelogram. For that purpose, see, suppose I draw here one figure, that is, it is a parallelogram. In this parallelogram, this is angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Now see dear student, it is a parallelogram and ratio of angle A to ratio of angle A to angle B is given. The ratio is 5:4. Now to solve this, dear student, we must know what is the relation between these two angles of this parallelogram. First of all, angle A and angle B are adjacent angle of quadrilateral parallelogram. These are the adjacent angles, and related to adjacent angle there is a property, one property of parallelogram, that is the adjacent angle of parallelogram are supplementary. That is, the sum of these two angles is 180, and if you know this property then it is very easy to solve this sum. Therefore, dear student, we are applying the knowledge of Maths 2 in a Maths 1. Maths 1 and Maths 2 are not different, but for study separately they are get divided. Therefore, dear student, we have to use the knowledge in this. See here, angle A and angle B are adjacent angle and adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. Now dear student, how to solve? See here, ratio of angle A to angle B is 5:4. Therefore, let the common multiple be x. We have to assume the common multiple be x. Therefore, measure angle A is equal to 5x degree and measure angle B is equal to 4x degree. Now dear student, angle A plus measure angle B is equal to 180 because adjacent angles of parallelogram. Now dear student, what is measure angle A? It is 5x degree plus it is 4x is equal to 180. Now dear student, 9x is equal to 180. Therefore, x is equal to 180 upon 9. Therefore, x is equal to 20. That common multiple x is equal to 20. Now, dear student, we have to find out the measure of angle B. Therefore, we can write measure angle B is equal to, how much it is? 4x degree. Therefore, 4 into, what is the value of x? It is 20 and it is 80 degree. Therefore, dear student, measure angle B is equal to 80 degree. This is our final answer. Dear student, see, to solve this we can use another property. Two property we have to apply. One is opposite angle of a parallelogram are congruent. Opposite angle of a parallelogram are congruent. That means angle A is supposed to be phi x. Therefore, we say that angle C is also phi x. Angle B is 4x degree. Therefore, angle D is also 4x degree. And another property, we got the measure of all the angle of quadrilateral. Make the sum of all this angle is equal to 360. And dear student, you can solve and find out the value of x. I think this is, instead of this, the first method is very easy. We have to remember only one property of parallelogram, that is adjacent angles are supplementary. We get the value of x and we substitute the value of measure of angle B is 4x, 4 into 20, 80 degree. In this way we can solve this sheet very easily. Now we have to start with the second sum. Dear student, let's see the second sum. The ratio of present age of Albert and Salim is 5:9. See dear student, ratio of age of Albert and Salim is 5:9. 5 years hence, the ratio of their age will be 3:5. Find their present ages. Dear student, the question is related with age. And in statement problem, if you understand the meaning of sentence, then it is very easy to solve. Therefore, dear students, see, in present age is supposed to be 10 years. And after 10 years, the present age is supposed to be 10. Then before 2 years, what was the age? Today's age is 10 years and we have to find out the age before 2 years. Dear student, before 2 years, that means from today's age we have to subtract 2. That means present is supposed to be 10, and if we have to find out the age before 2 years, then we have to subtract 2 and we get the answer as 8 years. What was is there. That means previous, before 2 years. Another word is there, see here, 5 years hence, and here will be. Yes student, 5 years hence, that means we have to find out age after 5 years. Suppose today's age is 10, then what will be the age hence 5 years, that means after 5 years we have to add 5 years. Therefore, the age will become 15 years. That means before, or if the word before is there, then we have to subtract that much year, and if the word hence is there or after, then we have to add that much year in the present age. This important information we must know. Now dear students, see, ratio of present age of Albert and Salim. These two Albert and Salims are there. If we take out the ratio of their present age is 5:9. Hence 5 years hence, after 5 years, today's ratio is 5:9. After 5 years, their ratio will become 3:5. We have to find out the present age. Therefore, dear students, see, ratio of present age of Albert and Salim. Their student first name is Albert and first is a 5. Salim is 9. Therefore, Albert and Salim is 5:9. Therefore, let the common multiple be x. Therefore, present age of Albert is equal to 5x years and present age of Salim is equal to 9x years. Now see, from this information we find out the present age of Albert is 5x and present age of Salim is 9x. Now from another information, what another information is given? After 5 years, 5 years hence, that means after 5 years. Therefore dear student, this is present age. We have to find out the age of Albert and Salim after 5 years. After 5 years, here. After 5 years, age of Albert will, how much? 5x plus 5 years, and after 5 years, age of Salim will be how much? 9x plus 5 years. Now dear student, this is this age of Salim Albert after 5 years and this is the age of Salim after 5 years. Now if we take out the ratio of this age, then it will be how much? It will be a 3:5. Therefore from given condition, take out the ratio of Albert, it is 5x plus 5 upon 9x plus 5, and this ratio is equal to how much? 3:5. Got it? Now dear student, we have to solve this. For that purpose, what we have to do? We have to do the cross multiplication. 3 into 9x plus 5 is equal to 5 into 5x plus 5. See, do the multiplication. We have to multiply this whole bracket with these 3. Therefore 9 3s are 27x plus 3 5s are 15 is equal to 25x plus 25. Now dear students, see, take out the similar term together. This 27x minus this 25x is equal to 25. This plus 15 goes there, it is minus 15. It is 2x is equal to 10. Therefore dear student, x is equal to 10 upon 2. Therefore we got x is equal to 5. Now we have to find out the present age. Present age of Albert is 5x. Therefore we have to write here present age of Albert is equal to how much? 5x is equal to 5 into 5 is equal to 25 years. And present age of Salim, present age of Salim is equal to 9x is equal to 9 into 5, it is 45 years. This is final answer. Dear student, see, two concepts you must have to remember: after and before. Take down this sum in your notebook. Now we have to start with the third sum. Dear student, see the question number 3. The ratio of length and the breadth of a rectangle is 3:1. Ratio of what? Length and breadth of rectangle is 3:1 and its perimeter is 36 centimeter. Find the length and the breadth of the rectangle. Dear students, see here, if we draw this rectangle like this, in this, suppose A, B, C, D is a rectangle. This is the length and this is the breadth, and ratio of length and breadth is given 3:1 and the perimeter is given. To solve this, dear student, we must know the formula for finding out the perimeter of the rectangle. If you know this, then and only then you can solve this. Perimeter of a rectangle means we have to do the sum of all these 4 sides. That means there are 2 length and 2 breadth. Therefore 2 into L plus B is the formula. See here, L plus B plus B. These are the 2 length. In rectangle, you know, opposite sides are congruent. This length and this length will be the same, and this breadth will be the same. Therefore L plus B plus B. This is the formula 2L plus 2 into L plus B. Now dear student, we have to use this. For that purpose, see, we have to write here the ratio of length and breadth of rectangle is given is 3:1 and its perimeter is 36 centimeter. Rectangle is 3:1. Therefore let the common multiple Bx. Therefore see, first length is given and here it is 3. Therefore length of rectangle is equal to 3x centimeter and breadth of rectangle is equal to 1x centimeter. Now we know the formula for finding out the perimeter. Here we can write perimeter of rectangle is equal to how much? It is 36 centimeter. Now what is the formula? We can write here 2 into L plus B is equal to 36. Now dear student, 2 into what is L? L means length, it is 3x, plus B means x is equal to 36. Dear student, we have to solve this very easy. We can take out this 2 on that side, or we can take like this, 2 into 3x plus 1x, it is 4x is equal to 36. Now dear student, we can take out this 2 on that side or multiply this. 8x is equal to 36. Then x is equal to 36 upon 8. Dear student, if we multiply, divide this, then it is 4.5. 8 4s are 32 and 8 5s are. Now dear student, see here it is 4.5. Now we have to find out the length. Now length of rectangle L is equal to 3x is equal to 3 into 4.5. Therefore dear student, 13.5 centimeter and breadth will be a is equal to 1x is equal to 1 into 4.5 is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Dear student, see, very simple and very easy. Write down this sum in your notebook. Dear student, see the question number 4th one. The ratio of two numbers is 31:23. The ratio of two numbers is given 31:23 and their sum is 216. Sum is given 260. Therefore directly we can write here the ratio of two numbers is 31:23. Therefore let the common multiple Bx. We can take any variable x, y, z, anything. Therefore the numbers are 31x and 23x. Sum of that two numbers is, how much it is given? 216. Therefore, dear student, we can write first number 31x plus second number 23x and the sum is 216. Now, dear student, make the addition of this 31 plus 23, it is 54x is equal to 216. Therefore, x is equal to 216 upon 54, and here if we divide this, we get here x is equal to 4. Now see the number. Therefore, the numbers are, first one is 31x is equal to 31 into 4. Therefore, it is 124. And second number is 23x is equal to 23 into 4 is equal to 92. Therefore, the two numbers are 124 and 92. If we make the sum of these two, it will be a 216. And if we simplify this and take out the ratio, that ratio will be a 31:23. Now, dear student, we have to start with the last sum from this, that is the fifth question. See, dear student, question number 5th one. If the product of two number is 360, the product of two number is 360 and the ratio is 10:9, find the numbers. Dear student, here two numbers are given whose ratio is 10:9 and product of that two number is 360. We have to find out that two numbers. First of all, we have to write the ratio of two numbers is 10:9. Ratio is 10:9. Therefore, let the common multiple be x. Therefore, the numbers are 10x and 9x. Now, product of two numbers is 360. Therefore, what we have to write? 10x into 9x is equal to 360. Now, dear students, see, 10x into 9x, 10 9s are 90, and this x into x, x square is equal to 360. Dear student, see here, x square is equal to this 90 goes on that side, 360 upon 90. Therefore, x square is equal to 4, and here we got x is equal to 2. We are taking the square root of both the side, we get x is equal to 4. Now, dear students, see here, the numbers are, first one is, it is 10x is equal to 10 into 2 is equal to 20, and second, it is 9x is equal to 9 into 2 is equal to 18. Therefore, dear student, the two numbers are 20 and 18. In this way, dear student, we completed practice set 4.2. In next lecture, we have to learn the properties of equal ratio. Very interesting topic is there. Thank you.